On July 1st, the province's new rules governing how drug companies pay pharmacists comes into effect. The battle has drugstores threatening service cuts and store closures, while the province claims the regulations will reduce the cost of generic drugs. Dave McGowan spoke today with a Trent professor who says no matter what side of the debate you may be on, you should be concerned.
Under current provincial rules, generic drug companies pay Ontario's pharmacists about $750 million a year in professional service fees. Pharmacists are to use that money on the service they provide to their customers. But on July 1st, those payments become illegal.
These are monies paid to the pharmacy for, I guess the best way to think of it is shelf space for a particular generic manufacturer to have its products stocked in the particular pharmacy.
The province says the new rules will reduce the price of generic drugs. Increased dispensing fees are expected to bring pharmacists about $150 million, $600 million less than what they currently get. Ballantyne, a sociology professor at Trent and a pharmacy professor at U of T, says whether you support lower drug costs or your local pharmacists, Ontarians should be more concerned.
You know, for the general public, this might not matter very much, but I am concerned about the impact on seniors and people who are health vulnerable and who are relying on those kind of services. They need good pharmaceutical counseling.
There have been a few protests. In April, a large number of supporters filled a Minden's drugstore to back their local pharmacist. And protests have been held at Queen's Park.
I think that losing that kind of those professional allowances will have a real impact on independence and on single communities that have a single pharmacy. Because if that pharmacy isn't viable, then it won't be there.
Dave McGowan, CHEX Newswatch, Peterborough.